Well, hello my berries, good morning. It is day 3, I guess, of the cruise. We are in Nassau Bay, Bahamas this morning. I'm going to show y'all a little bit of what it looked like. So far, we're going to get out, just probably do some sightseeing, a little shopping. That's about it. I don't even think we're going to try the beach. Last time I was here was probably like 12 years ago, and I didn't get to do the beach then, but it rained. I don't know like about their excursions and stuff. Like in Grand Cayman, they'll have people standing outside telling you like, hey, you can go here for this and da 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 da. I don't know about it here, so we're not gonna try to risk it and everything. And then plus, they are telling you like, you know, be mindful of wearing certain kind of jewelry and different things like that. So we just want to kind of lay low, even though we look like tourists like nobody's business. But anyway, just about everybody does. So we're gonna get out, get into some sunshine today and see what it's all about. All right, so y'all just stay tuned. All right guys, we are outside of the ship, and just here's a glance of how big this daggone ship is. It's huge. Huge, huge, huge. This is the Carnival Sunshine over here. You can see like the decks compared to over here. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna get out into a little sunshine today. There's Earl. Get out into a little sunshine today and kind of explore. Alright y'all, so we decided to get a ferry, which that black and white boat right there is our ferry, to take over to Atlantis. But in the meantime, look at the Mardi Gras and the sunshine. Isn't that crazy? How big the Mardi Gras is compared to the, like when I used to see like boats like the Sunshine, I was like, oh my god, such a big boat. Nothing compared to the Mardi Gras. So this is Nassau Bay, Bahamas downtown. You got Senor Frogs here. Just in case you guys do take the ferry, you'll walk all the way down from the pier or whatever, and then from the port, and then walk all the way down to the end to Senor Frogs, and then that's where you'll be catching the ferry. So they don't tell you because there's like a lot of construction being done. You just kind of wait right here, and then the captain will come back and tell you to come on and board. It's usually $5 one way per, no, $10 round trip per person, so $5 one way. And then as you can see, Atlantis off in the distance over there. So we're just gonna go there for a short while, get a couple of souvenirs, and then make it back this way to do a little shopping, and then get back on the boat.
us grow. Oh, even without
say goodbye to the Bahamas, child. They did us wrong. Especially that I would love to give somebody that those tickets to to go. And they won't have to buy the return or whatever. Yeah. Well, I think they're leaving. I think they're gonna be home tomorrow. Got Burger King. So basically, we just went to the shops, y'all. We went to Atlantis, saw a little of that. I don't recommend taking the ferry. I'll tell y'all about it when it's a little quieter. All right, y'all. I know I'm looking straight crazy. Okay, so we're in the Bahamas, right? We took this ferry, yeah. Okay, so we went to the Bahamas and we wanted to go over there to the Atlantis. You can see. Let me give you guys a close up. We wanted to go just to say we've been, and we did get there, but we took a ferry. The ferry actually took us around here, right over there, all the way, blah, 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 all the way down there. And then it parked. And then it dropped us off. No one gives you direction. You know, like, hey, we want to go to Atlanta. Okay, take the ferry. Y'all, we had to walk almost, I want to say a good 20, 25-minute walk to get to Atlantis. We did go and we were able to see like some of the shops and all that kind of stuff. You know, like the expensive shops and stuff, Balenciaga, all that kind of stuff. So we went in those. But then we wanted to go back to where the aquarium area was. You have to have a wristband. I think one of the ladies said that it costs like $250 just to get back there or whatever. So we ended up taking a taxi back, even though we paid a round trip ticket for the ferry, but walking way back, and then they take forever to load, and we sit and we wanted to go shop. So we did do some of the shops as you saw earlier. We did some of those shops and got like, you know, t-shirts and shot glasses, the norm of the normal type of stuff that you get when you go on vacay. Your girl is looking a hot mess, honey, but that's all right. She's on vacation. I'm thinking about just with this hair of mine, I don't know if I might just spray it, dunk my head under some water and just comb it back or slick it or something like that, because I did bring some setting lotion. So I don't even know if I'm gonna bother, because I brought like shampoo and stuff, you know, like I'll wash it if I get like in some water or whatever, but I don't know. See, there's this, I think this is what I'm talking about. It's something like this, y'all. Look at this ferry. This one I'm talking about right here. See, but actually it was a lot fuller. So these people have no idea where they're gonna get dropped off at. You know, it seems like a cool idea going, but it's kind of crazy. So yeah. Anyway, hi. How are you? Just fine, thank you. So they're gonna go and drop them off like probably right there, and then they have to pay for themselves after that. So like I said, we bought a round trip, which was like $10 round trip per person. But honey, we paid another, I think, $10 one way just to get a taxi. We should have just did a taxi, because it would have, you know, saved us a whole lot of time and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go and try to get us something to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all with me or not. I mean, you guys are gonna see plenty of food on this vlog, but there's gonna be a couple of days where I'm just gonna be like, put the camera down and just enjoy my vacation. You know what I mean? All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. Y'all, check that out. It's called the corazon. That means the heart. Wowee. Talking about luxury. And then here goes a little boat. Right behind it. Thank you so so much for watching my video today. If you would like to keep up with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can always follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm under Darkberry32 on both of those platforms and would love if you would join me. Thank you again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.